Guys, welcome to these channels. Today I will show you how we can move a sentence, move a text. Okay, now say let me write a paragraph. So here there is a paragraph. Now say for example in the middle of this paragraph I want to say here, sorry, say here I want to write I want to put a sentence here, put a text. Okay, so for that, now say for example I want to put this sentence, put this text. Okay, now see I cannot move this one until I cut and paste. I'm not able to move this text here. Okay, so for that there is another method to bring the text in the middle of this paragraph. So for this, click on insert tab and then click on this text box. Okay, here simple text box. Now you write your text, say welcome this channel. Okay, color red. Okay, now see here this I can move this text easily anywhere in this paragraph, but wait, there is a border outside this text. Okay, so we have to remove this text line or border, whatever. So for that, what you have to do is right click on here, then click on format shape. Okay, so here you can see click line, then here select no line. Okay, so here you can see now here the line is invisible. Okay, now you can easily move this sentence. Okay, thank you. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.